So what's up, guys?
GTR things.
Will and I here in the GTR R33
RB26 things.
We're gonna go drop it off at a buddy of ours shop.
Because he knows how to make cars fast.
And some fun things are gonna happen to it.
Yeah.
So we're just doing a little ride along shot. She got some new wheels on it, which you'll have already seen earlier in the video. And
overnight from Japan.
yeah, work for the win.
So, I don't want to give everything away, but this car is going to be getting a standalone ECU, which means flat foot shifting, launch control, awesome things,
Rolling anti-lag.
Anti-lag.
Rolling anti-lag.
Cool, super cool things, because those Australians know their shit. Oh, is that a McLaren?
Yeah,
Nice. So, another reason this car is getting a lot of stuff is because it does weird electronic stuff.
Yeah, some weird spark cut or something. It just starts like losing power and bogging, and then shoots a lot of flames.
Yeah.
And not in the good way.
Yeah, it's very strange. We think it might have something to do with the Apex ECU that's in here. So that's getting deleted. Haltech's getting installed. Lots of fancy things. Oh, yeah. Legalities. So, needless to say, when this thing is done, VI engineered, which, by the way, if you guys want some stuff fabricated, if you don't want us to do it, and you want somebody who's got some weld porn under their belt, hit up John over at VI Engineered. He is the shit, and he knows how to build stuff.
John B. Hill down here at VI Engineered they're a whopping 10 minutes from our shop.
Actually 7, if you want to get technical.
7 minutes.
So, they're going to be homies. They're going to be making some stuff for us. I got it.
Over here. All right, we're here at VA Engineered with John. Say anything about your shop or anything?
We build a lot of shit, a lot of metal stuff. We do a lot of manifolds, intercoolers. Pretty much anything you can come up with, we can build.
His welds make people horny. So if you guys want some really cool stuff made, look at this. This is all handmade by John. Very, 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 very cool stuff. Which is exactly why Chris is going to get his GTR stuff built by John.
So that's the wastegate for it. RB26 with dual 38mm wastegates. I ordered the wrong exhaust housing for it, but it's a divided T4 flange. I got a V-band flange. But this is a Garrett Gen 2 3582. We're hoping to make like 750, you know, corrected for sea level and perfect conditions and everything. So maybe up here like low 6s, but we'll see. Yeah, and John's gonna be doing the install of all this stuff. He's gonna mate the downpipe from this to the existing HKS exhaust. He's gonna make custom intercooler piping. He's gonna build an intercooler for me, and it's going to look really good when it's done.
It'll fit nice. It'll fit nice.
So it's going to be here for as ever long as it takes for him to do that.